How to use so and such. We use so and such to make the meaning of an adjective or adverb stronger. We use so with adjective or adverb. So nice. So lonely. So quick. So quickly. For example, it's a lovely day, isn't it? It's so warm. Really warm. He's difficult to understand because he speaks so quickly. We use such with noun. Such a story. Such people. We use such with adjective and noun. Such a stupid story. Such nice people. Note that we say such a, not a such. For example, we enjoyed our holiday. We had such a good time. A really good time. Compare so and such in these sentences. I like Tom and Anne. They are so nice. I like Tom and Anne. They are such nice people. Not so nice people. You can use so, that. For example, the book was so good that I couldn't put it down. I was so tired that I fell asleep in the armchair. You can use such, that. For example, it was such a good book that I couldn't put it down. It was such lovely weather that we spent the whole day on the beach. However, you can leave out that. In conclusion, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.